guys, so today I'm going to make some curry chicken for my husband. He loves curry chicken. First thing I do, I remove the skin from the chicken, and these are chicken thighs I'm going to use. So I remove the skin. So after I finish take off the skin off the chicken, I try to clean out most of the fat in between the chicken thighs. And after I finish cleaning it off, I had some vinegar to wash my chicken. Pour some vinegar in the After I add the vinegar in there, then I wash the chicken. I rinse the chicken off. So I'm going to season up the chicken right now, and I squeeze the water out. Squeeze as much water out of the chicken. And this is how the chicken looks after I'm finished cleaning it up. I'm going to add some seasoning to the chicken. And first I'm going to put some garlic sauce on there, garlic powder. So I'm going to add a bit of garlic powder on my chicken. Then I put some paprika. A dash seasoning. And I usually don't measure what I do. I just put a little black pepper. This is Cajun. I just put it on there because I like the flavor of this. Although I don't eat chicken. I should say that I don't eat meat. I'm going to put a little turmeric. So the main thing, I'm going to use the Blue Mountain hot Jamaican curry powder. And that's how it looks. And this is the main thing that goes on there. And after I do that, when I got my gloves on, because the curry is just, it will stain your hands, so I just rub it all in there. So that's how the curry is. I already seasoned it up, put it into the container and put it in the fridge and let it sit there for 30 minutes. You can let it marinate it a little bit as long as you want to, at least for 24 hours. But it's gonna be in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna cover it up. Seal it, and I will put it in the fridge. So I put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I put my pot on the stove and I turn it to medium low, and I'm gonna add some olive oil to my pot. I'm gonna put brown my chicken. I will brown the chicken about 3 minutes on each side. So this pot, they call it a Dutch pot, and I got this pot from Jamaica probably maybe 25 years ago, and it is still strong, it's firm, it is really good to brown things or to cook stuff in. I like it, and it's convenient, and to me it makes the food taste good. LOL. So after 3 minutes on each side, I take out the chicken out of the pot. So after I brown the chicken, I put it back in the pot. And then I cut up some seasoning, like some onions and carrots and red and yellow pepper, and I pour it into the pot. And this is how it looks. That's the curry chicken in the pot. I'm gonna cover the pot and let it cook for 20 minutes. I also turn up the stove. So my curry chicken is done, and this is how it looks in the pot. So that's my curry chicken. Actually, my husband, I'm making this for my husband and he will love it. There it goes. And if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Also share it and make comments and let me know if you ever